going on, guys? Welcome back here to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing some light tackle trolling, or at least I like to call it light tackle trolling. I'm not sure if that's the exact technical name for it, but essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be trolling a shipping channel. We're going to be trolling in and out of it, and we're just going to see what we could catch. Usually there's some mackerels in here, some kingfish, some barracudas, some small jacks, sometimes even you get some bonitas in here. But we're going to be trolling some plugs behind the boat and using some very light tackle, basically inshore tackle. And that's what's fun about it. Those mackerels, they hit really hard and they put on a great fight on light tackle. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. We spent about a couple hours out here trolling around. We ended up catching a few nice solid mackerels, and then we headed over to the beach to let mahi run around and enjoy some time on the beach before they shut them down here in Southwest Florida. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're out here enjoying some time here on the beach, letting Mahi run around. He loves the beach, like you guys know. So I found this milk crate just on the shore here. So I decided to walk around and just grab some trash off the shore, pick up some trash. And it's crazy the amount of stuff I found. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Check this out. So this is the milk crate I found. And inside I filled it up within, I don't know, 20 minutes of just walking. Bottles, old cans, oil container, look at this, balloons, more balloons, so many Ziploc bags. It is insane the amount of trash you'll find out here just walking around the shorelines. It's incredible. So make sure you guys do your part. Pick up some trash whenever you see it. Don't throw any trash out in the water. It is crazy the amount of trash we could find out here. We could spend pretty much the entire day going through this one shoreline and just picking up trash. It's incredible. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We sure had a blast catching those mackerels out there. It was a nice little fun day. Like always, the weather was beautiful down here in Southwest Florida, and we were able to catch some fish. Mahi wasn't able to enjoy the beach like he likes, so it's always a nice fun time out here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, and as always, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.